McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and today we're at our latest listing at 23 Oleander Avenue, Taranganba.
Situated on an 876 metre square allotment, this double-storey home with panoramic sea views is one to inspect.
Come on in, have a look.
Dual living is a highly sought after feature of split level homes, and this one has it all. Your own bedroom, bathroom and kitchenette on the ground floor. My absolute favourite feature about this property has to be the panoramic views.
So guys, there you have it, 23 Oleander Avenue, Taranganba. If you'd like to view the property, please call Anna or myself. Have a good day. See you on the next one.